Good morning. Here, problem number 7. First of all, we have to go for problem number 6. Problem number 6, short bet. The following are the profits of the business for the 2 years: 2006 50,000, 2007 60,000, 2008 70,000, and the capital employed was 4 lakhs. And the normal rate of return expected in the similar business is 10%. Calculate goodwill by 2 years, purchase the average super profit. Same method we have to apply, super profit method. The first step is calculate goodwill. Goodwill is equal, calculate goodwill. First capital employed we have to calculate. Whenever we are going to study about the capital employed, that is same assets minus liabilities, but in this problem directly he has given to us. So first assets minus liabilities, so capital employed will be 4 lakhs. Calculate average capital employed. Average capital employed is equal to capital employed minus half of the current year profit. Capital employed is equal to 4 lakhs minus nil, that is nothing but 4 lakhs. And the next step is calculate normal profit. Normal profit is equal to average capital employed into rate by 100. Normal profit is 4 lakhs into 10 divided by 100, it is coming to 40,000. Calculate future maintainable profit is equal to. In this problem, profits are increasing schedule. That is 50,000, 60,000 and 70,000. Future maintainable profit is equal to average profit minus partner's remuneration. If the profits are increasing, weighted average profit method is to be applied. Year, profit, weights and product. 2006, 2007 and 2008. 50,000, 1, 50,000, 60,000, 2, 1 lakh 20,000, 70,000, 3, 2 lakh 10,000. So weights are 6, product is 3 lakh 80,000. Next step is weighted average profit is equal to total product divided by total weights. So 3 lakh 80,000 divided by 6 means you will be getting is 6,333.33. The next step we have to do it, calculate super profit. Super profit is equal to future maintainable profit minus normal profit. So super profit is equal to 63,333, 6,333.3. It is not 0.3, it is 63,333. So it is coming to minus 40,000, it is 23,333. Next step is calculate goodwill. Goodwill is equal to super profit into number of years purchase. That is 23,333 into 2 is equal to 46,666. That is the problem number 6, the solution. Now we are coming to problem number 7, that is also short. From the following, calculate the value of the goodwill at 3 years purchase of super profit. Average capital employed is 10 lakhs. Net profit for the past 3 years are 1,35,000, 1,60,000, 1,40,000. Next is rate of return expected is 10% on capital employed. And fair remuneration to the organizer is 20,000 per annum. So now the step we have to calculate, that is in this problem also, the profits are up and down. Only one step we have to check it out. The profits are up and down. A similar method you have to apply. That is calculate capital employed. That is problem number 7. Capital employed is directly given to us. That is 10 lakhs. Next is calculate average capital employed is equal to capital employed minus half of the current year profit. Average capital employed is equal to 10 lakhs minus nil. That is nothing but 10 lakhs. Calculate normal profit is equal to average capital employed into rate by 100. 10 lakhs into 10 divided by 100, it is coming to 1 lakh. Calculate future maintainable profit. Future maintainable profit is equal to average profit minus partner's remuneration. If the profits are up and down, we have to apply simple method that I already mentioned to you. Next is future maintainable profit is equal to 1,35,000 plus 1,60,000 plus 1,40,000 whole divided by 3. It is, first of all, we are getting the answer as 4,35,000 divided by 3. It is 1,45,000 minus 20,000 is a partner's remuneration as given in the problem. Then future maintainable profit is equal to 1,25,000. Next step is calculate super profit. Super profit is equal to future maintainable profit minus normal profit. Super profit is equal to 1,25,000 minus 1 lakh, that is coming to 25,000. Next is goodwill. Calculate goodwill is equal to super profit into number of years purchase. Next step is goodwill is equal to 25,000 into 3. It's coming to 75,000. That is problem number 7. Yeah, then coming to problem number 6, that is calculation of the goodwill. Again, he has given by super profit method. The steps are, the following is the balance sheet of Mr. Candy as on 30th September 2005. Liabilities and assets are given to us. Again, the profits are the following were the profit, net profit for the year ending, that is 30th September, 2003, 2004 and 2005. Here also the profits are at increasing schedule. The above amounts include income from investment, that is 1,800 each year. You are required to value the goodwill of the above business at 2 years purchase of the average super profit. For how many years he has given? 3 years. Taking into account the fact that the standard rate of return on capital employed in such type of businesses, how much he has given? 10%. Assuming that each year profit is immediately withdrawn in fully by Mr. Candy. So how the profits are given? First of all, we have in this problem, capital employed is not given to us. So first of all, we have to calculate the capital employed by taking all assets except investment and preliminary expenses and all liabilities. In liabilities also, we'll be taking only the current liability, but not any other liability too. First of all, land and buildings, 36,000, plant and machinery, 54,000. Then stock is 26,850. Bank is 75,990. Debtors is 19,200. Now the total is 2,12,040. Then creditors is 38,040. Now A minus B, it is coming to 1,74,000. Calculate what now? Average capital employed. Average capital employed is equal to capital employed minus half of the current year profit. 1,74,000 minus nil, it is coming to 1,74,000. Next, normal profit is equal to average capital employed into rate by 100. 1,74,000 into how much he has given to us? 10%. It is coming to 17,400. Next step is calculate future maintainable profit is equal to average profit minus partner's remuneration. Profits are increasing. Weighted average method is to be applied. Year, profit, weight, product. Year is 2003, 2004, 2005, and the profit is 30,480, 35,070. Next is 41,550. Weights are 1, 2, 3. Product is 30,480, 70,140, 1,24,650. Weights are 6, and the product is 2,25,270. Weighted average profit is equal to total product divided by total weights. 2,25,270 divided by 6. It is coming to 37,545. Next step is calculate super profit is equal to future maintainable profit minus normal profit. 37,545 minus 17,400. It is coming to 20,145. Next step is calculate goodwill is equal to super profit into number of years purchase. 20,145 into 2. So you are getting the answer as 40,290. And whenever we are going to study about this chapter, here clearly clarification is given to us. That is, it is which method we have to apply. That is super profit method, yeah, capitalization method, yeah, average. Only here the most important point in this chapter is future maintainable profit. Here we have to get through with the profit is in this way. Okay, we have to apply which method? One is average profit method, yeah, weighted average profit method. That is very important to us. Now, coming to problem number 7, the balance sheet of the partnership were as follows. Liabilities and the assets are given to us, and it was proposed to form a company to acquire business. For the purpose of the acquisition, the assets were valued as under plant 64,000, furniture 4,500, stock 45,000, debtors 28,500, prepaid expenses are nil. It is ascertained that the profit before charging remuneration to the partners for the past 5 years. Again, here you can see the profits are up and down. Under this profit, we have included so many things. One is non-recurring item that is 3,000, and one is promoters remuneration that is 1,000. And here the dividend is also given on 8% ordinary shares to the partners. And partners, 3 partners are there. A separate remuneration is also provided to the partners. In this problem, again, the goodwill he is telling us to calculate through the which method? Super profit method. Okay. Now calculate capital employed, assets, plant 64,000, because here valued are given plant 64,000, furniture 4,500, stock 45,000, debtors 28,500. Then prepaid expenses are nil. It was ascertained the profits before charging remuneration to the partners for the past 5 years has been as follows. 25,000 he has given. First we have to take then liabilities, sundry creditors are 60,000. Then A minus B, that is coming to 1 lakh. Calculate average capital employed is equal to capital employed minus half of the capital employed. 1 lakh minus nil, it is coming to 1 lakh. Then normal profit is equal to average capital employed into rate by 100. 1 lakh into 8%, it is coming to 8,000. Then future maintainable profit, here some scratchy work is given to you all. Then here clarification, clearly I can explain to you that future maintainable profit is equal to average profit minus partners remuneration. Then average profit, which method we have to apply? Simple method. Average profit is equal to total profit by number of years. 25,000 plus 30,000 plus 28,000 plus 32,000 plus 35,000. Now total it is coming to 1,50,000. First we have to do this according to the stepwise only we have to do. Total profits is equal to total profit is equal to 1,50,000. Then non-recurring items, it is coming to non-recurring items. It is 3,000 into 5, that is 15,000. 1,50,000 minus 15,000, it is coming to 1,35,000. Then 1,000 into 5, that is 5,000 total profit. 1,40,000 minus remuneration, it is 75,000. Now 1,40,000 minus 75, it is coming to 65,000. So non-recurring items will be calculate 65,000 divided by 5 years. The total profit, how much we are getting? 13,000. Calculate super profit is equal to future maintainable profit minus normal profit. 13,000 minus 8,000, it is coming to 5,000. Now calculate goodwill is equal to super profit into number of years purchased. 5,000 into 5, it is coming to 25,000. कितने मिनट्स करी मैं? Come on. Problem number 2. long problems. Here in this problem again, from the following balance sheet of the Softlook Company Limited as on 31st March 2010, find out the value of goodwill. Particulars, note number and the amount is given. Here it is horizontal balance sheet. It is equity and liabilities are given, then shareholder funds. Under that, share capital, reserves and surpluses, non-current liabilities, under that long-term borrowings, current liabilities, under that trade payables and short-term provisions. Now total it is coming to 6,60,000. Non-current assets, under that fixed assets. Fixed assets are coming under two types. One is tangible, another is intangible. Non-current assets, other current assets. Then current assets. Total it is coming to 6,60,000. But here in this problem, a different clarification is given to us. According to that, we have to do it. Share capital, reserves and surpluses, long-term borrowings, trade payables. What are the items will be coming in under the different heads? That is fully clarification is given to us. So first of all, again he is telling us to calculate which method? Super profit method only. Average profit is 75,000. For the last 3 years, fair return on capital employed is 10%. Now calculate capital employed. Under that, first land and buildings 1 lakh, plant and machinery 2,50,000, inventories 1,80,000. We will not consider the provision for tax. Will take as a liability. Investment we will not take. Trade receivables 50,000, cash and cash equivalent 10,000. It is coming 5,90,000. Now liabilities, under that trade payables 30,000, 9% debenture. It is coming 1 lakh. Short term provisions it is 35,000. B is equal to 1,65,000. Now A minus B 4,25,000. Next step, calculate capital employed. Average capital employed is equal to capital employed minus half of the current year profit. Average capital employed is equal to 4,25,000 minus nil. It is coming to 4,25,000. Next step is normal profit is equal to average capital employed into rate by 100. 4,25,000 into 10%. It is coming to 42,500. Calculate future maintainable profit is equal to average profit minus partners remuneration minus interest on investment. 75,000 minus nil, it is coming to 25,000 into 5. Why I am doing 25,000 into 5? Because value of investment that we have to take interest on investment on behalf of average profit. 75,000 minus 1,250, it is coming to 73,750. Next step is calculate super profit is equal to future maintainable profit minus normal profit. SP is equal to 73,750 minus 42,500. That is coming to 31,250. Next step is calculate goodwill is equal to super profit into number of years purchased. 31,250 into 5. It is coming to 1,56,250. Here, whenever we are doing the problems, the most important thing under this problems is we have to go through with the steps in a one particular way. Only the 6 steps are very much important when we are doing the goodwill. According to that 6 steps only, we have to do the problems. Now, problem number 3, it is given in a vertical way. The balance sheet of the Shriman Company Limited disclose the following position as on 31st/3/2010. The problem again he has given in horizontal. You have to ask the goodwill considering the following. Reasonable rate of return he has given 12%. In this problem, rate of income tax may be taken at 50%. Goodwill is valued at the basis of 3 years purchase of super profit. Now the first step is goodwill. Goodwill again first step we have to do it. Capital employed. Under this capital employed, land and buildings 4,10,000, plant and machinery 1,80,000. Inventories, stock, that is 2,30,000. Trade receivables 1 lakh. Cash and cash equivalent 14,000. Now total it's coming to 9,34,000. Liabilities, under that trade payables 1,42,000. Provision for tax 1,10,000. Now A minus B, it is coming to 6,82,000. Next step, calculate average capital employed is equal to capital employed minus half of the current year profit. In this problem, we can do half the current year profit because provision for tax is given to us. 6,82,000 minus 50% of tax. 6,82,000 minus 55,000, it is coming to 6,27,000. Then calculate normal profit. Average capital employed into rate by 100. Normal profit is equal to 6,27,000 into 12%. It is coming to 75,240. In this problem, average profit is not given. When the provision for tax is given in the problem, at that time they will not give average profit. Then we have to consider average profit is equal to provision for tax 1,10,000. Calculate super profit is equal to future maintainable profit minus normal profit. 1,10,000 minus 75,240. It is coming to 34,760. Calculate goodwill is equal to super profit into number of years purchased. 34,760 into 3, it is coming to 1,04,280. Today's topic we are closing here only.